These are two tiles. This is a tile I purchased. This is a tile that was sent to me by the tile support team. This tile does this. Hear the heartbeat? It's been doing that since I opened the container it came in, and that's what it came in. It didn't come in the box. My tile that I purchased, which is this one, came in a nice pretty box. However, this is what it did when I turned it on. Hear the heartbeat? Both do the exact same thing right out of the package. And I can't get them to work. You should have my name, Lothario63@gmail.com, multiple times in your system, because I keep getting confirmations that you got my problem, and my problem is still here. I use these tiles, well, I used to use the tiles a lot. You hear that? This one just made a sound. It does that after so many minutes of sitting there after it does the heartbeat thing. So, and these are the keys. They are tileless. And we're prepping for the hurricane. So I lost the keys this morning, couldn't move the truck, hit my phone through habit, and guess what? No tile. So please help. This is not meant to be a bad thing. This is meant to be an SOS so you can get at least one of these things working. I really don't care if you reset the account, if you delete the account and start a new one. I really don't care. I just need a tile that works. If not, send me my money back, reimburse me, and then we'll act like we never heard a tile. But priority is, what I'd rather is fix my tile or help me to do the right thing to make it work.